Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to add link in TikTok bio without 1,000 followers. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're wondering how to exactly add a link in your TikTok bio here without having 1,000 followers, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, currently, with how TikTok is currently set up, there are only two ways for you to add a link or add Instagram links or Facebook account links into your profile. So the first option is by getting 1,000 followers. Now, what's the second method here? Now, if you don't want or you don't have the 1,000 followers here, but you want to immediately promote something for yourself or for your business here, well, there is still a way for you to start adding those links. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to switch over to what we call a business account. So at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on the three bar icon, and you want to go and choose the settings and privacy option. And inside settings and privacy, you want to look for the account section. Let's go and choose account. And once you've done that, you want to go and choose the option that says switch to business account. Now, in this case, they may ask you a bunch of information about yourself or about your business. Go and just answer that. And once you've done that, it will ask you to verify your business. Now, in some cases, I already have this set up, so I just need to verify. Let's go and click on business verification. Now, inside the business verification page, again, you may need to provide certain details about your business. That includes like the address, certifications, or IDs in order for you to prove that you do have a business that you are managing right now to TikTok. So basically, once TikTok is able to verify your business, advanced features, and that includes adding links to your TikTok bio, would be available to you. So typically, once you do finish the business registration here, once you go back into your TikTok account and click on the edit option next to your name here, at the very bottom, you should be able to see the option that says links, and that should allow you to add your website. But then again, this is only limited to accounts that actually has a business or permits that they are actually a real business. But yeah, so currently that is the only way for you to add a link to your TikTok bio. So if you don't want to verify your business or you don't have a business yet, well, you may need to get 1,000 followers first before you can actually add a link to your TikTok bio. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.